gonna do today?
What are you happy about?
That today's the last day. Are you recording
Yes, I am.
on YouTube?
Yep.
Uh-huh.
So what are you happy about?
School, this is the last day of school.
School's out for summer.
Yep,
Are
it
you
is.
happy?
Yes.
Da-da.
You heard me. Pick one of those. Ah! Hey, you know what I'm playing? I'm playing Subway Surfer. The coolest game ever.
What's that sound?
Bus. Do I really have to go to school?
It's your last day of school. You should be happy.
I know, but I still don't want to go to school today.
Oh, yes you do. Yes you do.
Yeah. It's not harder than I thought. I feel like Subway Surfer. See it? See it? Oh, I got prize. Let's see it. Buddy.
Alright. Get ready for the bus. It's coming.
It's awesome. How goes my battery? Oh, perfect. I think it's so hard.
Okay.
Keep recording.
Yep.
Bus. I just saw a squirrel by the side of our house.
Love you, go.
Bye-bye. Love you, everybody. Bye.
That is cool.